Be careful, sister. Be careful, sister. Be careful, brother. This life we are living, every human being you are seeing, they are not human being. There are some people you see in the spirit, they are animal. They are human being, but in spirit, they are cats. They are human being, but in spirit, they are dogs. They are human being, but in spirit, they are serpents. Sister, brother, be careful how you live your life. This video you're about to watch is about a sister that went to her own friend complaining about how broke she is, and that friend introduced her to a hookup. The first day of her business, this is the outcoming of it. Watch to the end.
I will appreciate if you can actually tell us your story so
No,
that.
no, 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 no. I've said it. I don't want any video. I don't want to have anything to do with you, or even I don't want any video. Please, like,
Please.
I don't want it at all.
I
don't. I've even told my sister I don't at all. I don't want anything. So please, can you just let me rest? Please, I don't want any video at all. I don't. Thank you.
But ma, please. The
I
thing
already
is,
said no. I don't want any video. Thank you. I don't.
that's why I left my crew members outside. I came here alone so that you can be comfortable enough, since it's just me. It's not like everybody's seeing your face. It's only me and you. And like I said before, it's confidential.
I'm not comfortable with it.
Your face will not show. We just need to hear your story, that's all. And you don't know how many people's life might be affecting with this. So please, please.
I already said I don't want any video. No. I don't. How it all started. Then I was so broke. I needed money so badly. I woke up to my friend. I told her I needed money. So she introduced me to hookup. That hookup will fetch me whatever I want. Will give me the money I want. But I told her I was afraid because I've
I
heard a lot
read
of things
this
about
good
hookup.
news about the kingdom
I disagreed
will
with
be
her,
preached through all the world
but she
for
assured me that
witness
everything will be
to all
fine
nations.
because
And then
she's also into hookup and she's
the
fortified
end will come.
and nothing can happen to her.
You will see
Guys or men can't
the
use her because she's
hateful
fortified.
horror
So I believed
of
her.
which the prophet Daniel spoke.
I accepted everything she
It
said.
will be standing in the holy place,
She introduced me to it.
not
Then,
to
okay, she took
the
me out
reader.
to a place.
Be sure
I got
to
fortified.
understand what this means.
Okay, should I say after that day, I went for the first outing. Mm. I did what I supposed to do. When I got back home, everything changed. It's changed from what I was expecting. And I noticed I started backing like every time in the morning, afternoon, in the night, even in the midnight. So anything 12, anytime like 12, I will start backing.
Is it 12 in the midnight or 12 in the morning?
Anything 12, 12 in the afternoon, 12 in the midnight, I just see myself backing.
So, did you like go back to where you did the thing or what? Yeah,
Yeah,
explain to them.
yes, went back to the place. They did something for me. It stopped for a while. It, it started again after sometimes.
So, how are you coping with the whole situation? How do you manage it presently?
Not been fine. Can't even cope with it because I've not been able to go out. I don't even know because the news is all over everywhere, like it's everywhere, and I don't know how to even handle it because like I can't even just cope with it. I can't go out. I can't move from one place to another, all because of what is happening to me. I can't just. I'm not coping with it. I'm not just fine. I'm not fine at all. Tired.
Sorry.
I don't know what to do. I've spent a lot. Like I've been to everywhere. I've been to many places. They're just collecting my money, and I think there's no solution to it because I've been to many places. I'm stuck right now, like I'm broke, I'm down because I don't have much. I don't have any money going, all because I'm looking for solution for my ailment.
So, what advice do you have for girls of your age now that are watching you right now?
Hmm. Advice is be contented with what you have. Don't be desperate, and should I say, do not copy your friends or do not look after what they do because we don't know what different people are doing, what they are into. So you saying you want to copy your friends or you want to go after things they do, you might put yourself in trouble at the end, just like what is happening to me. So be contented with what you have. If you have handwork, you can just establish yourself so you can have more income and have faith in God. Thank you.
Thank you. Thank you. I appreciate this. I appreciate your time. It's not taken for granted. I know at the beginning you were not comfortable doing all of this, but you don't know how many lives you have touched. Thank you very much. As much as we can, whatever advice that we get from people, we're still going to pass them on to you so that maybe you can find a solution from all of the comments and suggestions that people will make. So thank you very much for your time.
You're welcome.